What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, and we back with another video. Your boy, like, you know what I'm saying, do a voiceovers, you know what I'm saying, on my videos. But just wanted to let y'all know your boy audio still going in and out, you know what I'm saying. I just let y'all know that yesterday on my other video, but just letting y'all know again. Your boy is finally getting it, you know what I'm saying, fixed, you know what I'm saying, because I think it was water inside of it, I don't know, but that's what they said on the store. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know that. And by the way, make sure you show your boy some love, you know what I'm saying, these videos, man, you know what I'm saying, show your boy some really love, man. And I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Oh yeah, and one more thing, y'all. Make sure y'all put yourself on mute so you don't have to hear in and out stuff. So just letting y'all know that again. Bye. But enjoy the video still. Everybody have a nice day, man. So, so there you have it.